welcome here at the Rest House here in La Ia, Batangas. G na ba kayo?
Gina!
Ay, hindi sila G. G ka na ba? Today, we have some questions for ourselves. So, yes, Miss May?
Yes, this morning, sunny, beautiful Monday morning, we are live from Batangas. May mga location shoot na ang G Barkada.
Oh, di ba?
How are you guys? How are you? Maganda ba ang feeling?
Yes.
Wala na pinili. Lalo na, di ba? Nanalo ka ng Miss Pugay.
Yeah.
Ay,
Together.
congratulations!
Thank you so much. Yung candidate namin ang na-crown na Miss Pugay 2026.
Wow!
That is true.
In fairness, nakita ko yung mga hikaw ko doon.
Di ba?
Curtis obsessed.
Oh.
Nagkakaroon po tayo ngayon ng technical problem.
It happens during live shows.
Yes. Truly indeed.
So, kalma.
Kayo dyan, mga
For the meantime, cheers tayo sa iced coffee.
Let tayo back.
Ayan.
Let tayo back.
Okay. So, finally, we're back.
And we're back for good.
Yeah! Sa whole day.
Nagkanta.
Yes, we're enjoying the resort La Ia, Batangas.
Correct.
Tama?
Yes, yes,
While we're
yes.
having our iced coffee.
Truly indeed.
Okay. Just for a background, we took the G Barkada all the way down to Batangas for a team building activity.
Yay!
Ayan. Ito ang aming first ever out of
Yes.
town.
Truly indeed.
Sugar.
Yes.
Sugar.
Yes.
So, apart from that, we also have done activities yesterday para mas ma-improve at ma-build ang aming team.
Correct.
Ayan. Because ang ating ang title is Build the Team, Achieving the Dream.
That is so
Oh.
true.
May mga tanong na inanda si Ate Dayan.
Meron
Pero
ka ba?
ako ang magtatanong. Since we have spent a day or two together no, as one team, sana lang happy si Jiwi.
Sa kanyang pag-break.
Okay ka muna.
Hi, brother.
Meron tayong
Brother.
13 questions. Ang
13?
tawag ng game is whose game or whose question. Meaning, who is most likely to be something, right? So, bakit iba ang tingin nyo? May mga dumadaan bang upuan?
Yes, one door pupunta doon mga upuan.
Okay. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is ituturo nyo
Hi, brother.
kung ano or sino
Okay.
ang answer sa
Assalamualaikum.
question na to. Okay, let's start. Kaway-kaway na ba kayo dyan? G na ba kayo? G na! Ayan, cheers muna tayo sa iced coffee. First question. Who's most likely to get lost while traveling? Wala kayo. Sense of direction. Sige, 1, 2, 3, who? Si Dayan. Bakit? May experience ba, Rico? Wala na.
Parang feeling ko lang, parang kasi
Feeling
di
lang,
ba
feeling pa siya.
siya.
Bye-bye.
Oo.
So, kayo hindi talaga kayo nawawala.
Kaya lang ko hindi.
Pero meron akong nasa, ano, Day, may nawala kagabi.
Ay, hindi ko yan.
Tama, di ba? Okay, next. Who is most likely to overpack for a 3-day trip? Yung marami na lang, dala lahat ng buhay
Parang ikaw lahat,
Ready?
Dayan.
1, 2, 3, go!
Dayan!
Ang
Dayan!
maleta po ang
Oh,
galing.
ano? Dayan, in fairness. Next, who is most likely to take 100 plus travel photos?
Maria May.
Yes! I'm so sorry. Mahilig ako sa picture for posterity and memories. Ayan.
Brother.
Ha? Sino ang brother? Next. Ito. Who is most likely to sleep the whole
Sure
trip?
na.
1, 2, 3, go! Yay! Yung ano man.
Best in sleep.
Oo, best in sleep. Kasi anong oras kayo umalis kagabi? Kahapon?
3:30
3:38 Andito lang kami ng 3:40.
Ah! Nag-chopper. All the way from Pasig. Oo, ako straight from the airport.
Nag-arabo ka na. Yeah.
Okay. Next, who is most likely to look for food first when arriving at a destination? 1, 2, 3. You! Jiwi, and you're still eating until
Please
now.
like Green Mile.
Not just when
Green
arriving.
Mile.
And, eto naman. Who is most likely to post aesthetic travel and coffee photos? 1, 2, 3, go!
You!
And Carlita!
Yung dalawa, lumabang
Magaling
kayo.
kasi si Carlita. Take photos and editing. Si Carlita ang aming go-to.
Welcome.
Next, who is most likely to say, "Oh my God, I need coffee," or "Oh my God, I cannot function without coffee"? 1, 2, 3, go! Me!
You.
I need coffee all the time.
Truthfully,
Coffee is almost my blood. Camila. So kung mag-blood transfusion, pwede na ang kape. Who is most likely, Agi daw, to wake up late on Travel Mana?
1, 2,
1, 2, 3. Hindi na po siya wala nang aga-agahan. Wala na, Ray. Okay. Hindi na siya nag-breakfast, Day. Ikay. Losing yung sa night. During the night. Who is most likely to pack for snacks on every trip? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Sila! And even up to now, he is still having snacks.
this is our coffee.
Ginoo ko. Next, who is most likely to complain about the hotness of the weather or heat? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come
All of
in!
us!
Sobrang init kahapon dito.
Correct.
Umalog
Pati
ka.
ngayon.
Oo, but it's good, it's good. I like it on the beach when it's hot.
Cook.
Because we're also getting hot. Keme. Next, who's most likely to stay dry? Meaning, doesn't go to swimming.
Oh.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Jay. Kaya today, bakit?
Wala lang, gusto kong beach vibe, pero ayoko maligo.
Why is that pa? Rampa-rampa lang tayo.
Oh, rapa lang. Kasi may nadikya. May nadikya dyan.
Oh.
May nasting ng jellyfish.
Spell sting.
Shot na lang.
Last 2 questions. Who is most likely to find love interest on a travel?
Oh, it's
1,
us.
2, 3, go!
Hello.
Hi!
Hello po! Kami tumarito at naghahanap kami ng maiiging upuan. Kami maglilipat mamaya ni si... Ay, hello! Hi!
Maraming dumadaan.
Jan! Mag-hi ka muna dito, Jan!
Okay.
Jan!
So who is most likely to just sleep the whole time in their hotel room? 1, 2, 3, go! Jiwi!
Mag-hi ka muna, Jan. Oh, mag-hi ka muna.
Wait,
Jan.
okay.
Mag-hi ka, Jan!
So you see, the quirks ng bawat isa, medyo kilala na natin
Correct.
through that game. Pero para sa inyo, what makes team building important for a team?
Dayan,
Bakit siya? Ala, bongga Dayan. Automatic. Who's most likely to answer?
Dayan.
Dayan.
She is the one na cum laude. She is the one na cum laude. She
So that was deserved.
siya ang first to answer.
Practice na lang po sa lahat. Bakit importante ang team building?
Para
I
sa lahat
think
na yan.
it's important kasi it betters the team communication.
Yeah! Correct.
Meron pang iba?
Hindi yung sagot ko eh.
Parehas tayo.
Natututo po kami when it comes to leadership and yung mga
And
Love you, Joy.
Okay, ikaw Silwin, why is team building
Ikaw.
important?
Mahalaga yung team building kasi parang at one point, syempre, buong taon na kayong nagtatrabaho, ano ba na, parang 2 days lang na mag-relax, kalimutan mo ng trabaho, just, ano lang, parang
Chill.
chill, mag-build ng ano ba, friendship,
Yes.
camaraderie, ganun, and sports.
Wow, spell camaraderie.
Batangas.
Ano na lang, ma'am? Gawin ko na.
Letter C?
Okay. Ikaw, Sas. Apart from moving around and looking for potential.
Hindi pa. Mamaya pa lang ang mga furniture makikita namin. You know?
Oh, what makes
But
it
anyway,
important?
It improves the relationship with each other, so that you get to work comfortably with each
Wow,
other.
comfortably.
Di ba? Totoo din naman yan, di ba?
Yes, yes.
And it improves our... Sinabi ni Dayan, tama yun. Yun ang ibig kong sabihin. Nagkulang lang siya, dinugtungan ko lang.
Oo, di ba? Ikaw, Jiwi, bakit importante na may team building na ganito?
Ayun, Halloween.
Para rest. Kasi magkatog. Rest and bonding. Paano mo kami makabond sa'yo dong? Kasi mo yung katog. Ayan. Later, ay may ganun. Oh, di ba? Okay.
Pero
Ikaw, Carlita.
Jiwi, nag-enjoy ka ba sa mga palaro dong?
Ay, oo. Nakapag-hubwet pa na
Napakalaban!
Oo, sa longest line. Yung fairness ang puti-puti ni Jiwi.
Totoo ako dun sa ano, yung sinusutaan mo ng bra.
Ay, yung green. Oo,
Yung kagabi,
Gabi.
That was nice. Ikaw, Carlita, bakit importante ang team building? Bakit nga ba?
Sabi na po nila lahat. At ano po, yung mas makilala po namin yung isa't isa.
Para sa page na.
Very good. Very good. So team building is really designed to get to know each other better. It breaks barriers and walls.
Oh.
Diba? By then, it improves communication.
Oh, diba?
Makikilala ang isa't isa. Alam natin who gets to snore louder. Who gets to sleep the whole time. You see, by now, these are personal things or even tiniest things that you get to know from your colleague. It
True.
breeds better friendship.
Correct.
Because,
Isang oras pala maligo si Becca.
oh!
Nakakaloka naman.
Ayan. So you see, yan and all, I mean, all those things, it gets to build the bond.
That's
Right?
true.
And by then, you get to understand your colleague better. Pag ganito pala, 1 hour, dapat pala early ang call time. Yung ganun. Ikaw rin naman, mag-a-adjust, di ba? So, naiintindihan natin ang bawat isa. So, yan. Alam niyo rin na mahilig pala ako ng kape. Alam pala natin na mahilig kumain si Jiwi. Although we know that from the very start. Kevin na. Alam natin na nawawala si Silwen. Kevin na.
Hindi ko lang narapol ngayon kasi ikaw lang lumabas. Dahil ako'y tulog.
Oo, sayon. And then, we become more comfortable working because
Correct.
sometimes the working relationship goes beyond the professional life. It improves our personal relationship that makes the project or company better. Ayan. Okay. Ano naman ang mga napulot nyo from yesterday's activities? Meron ba kayong napulot other than nahubaran si Jiwi? Kanila. Ano, kahit isang bagay lang na napulot nyo. Kasi di ba meron silang parang processing after activity or yung goal, every game meron. Anong game or activity ang pinaka either nahirapan kayo or hindi nyo makakalimutan?
Yung ano, yung straw.
Sa'yo.
Sa akin, hindi-slide siya.
Paano ba? Ano yung mechanics?
Bakit naiinis siya dito?
Akala namin panalo na kami.
Talaga?
Ako na lang nakatapos sa buhay. Ay, sa
Pero, ang ending, trial pa lang. Trial pa lang siya.
Oh.
And then the second time we tried, official na siya. Ayun pa rin, naghirap pa rin ako. Isip na yan. Pero di ba, isa din naman titest sa team building is your patience.
Yes,
Patience, di ba? And sometimes you have to lose to win again.
Wow! You have to lose
Di ba?
to win.
Sometimes you have to lose to win again. Kanta yun ni Fantasia Barrino.
Ang ganun ba?
Sometimes you have to lose to win again.
Ayun, may pa-shout out
Diba?
daw.
If it makes you cry,
Mag-greet
cry.
ka muna.
Sino siya? Patingin na yan. Pa-shout out tayo.
Pa-shout out. Let's G.
Shout out to Angel Onyate.
Hey, one of our
To
distributors.
Jules. Si
Hi, Jules, ang ating food, diba?
Correct.
Food,
Pa-shout out. Let's G. Denmark in Buestro. Hello.
Hi.
Si Sir Rodney. Hi, Kuya Rodney. Lumaban tayo ng hindi.
Masarap ang tulog
Oo,
kagabi.
nangungumasa si Leslie. Diba?
Marami siyang may ngiti sa labi.
Oh
Yeah!
my goodness. Let's not talk about
Oy,
that. So, yan.
Uy, ang ganda ng ano natin.
Ang ganda pala talaga ng on-location
Patingin pa
shoot.
This is how
Naka-green screen.
Oh,
this is how it
oh,
looks like sa
oh.
ano namin sa TikTok. Look.
Ayan.
Oh,
In
no?
fairness, may
Look.
laban
Ang
tayo,
ganda, no?
friend. Now because it's too hot, it's
Yeah.
warm, we're getting into the summer season, we are also getting into a new variant. And
Sure
that's what we
indeed.
are drinking right now.
Correct.
Yan ang ating
Dark
Roast. We are launching, I think,
This is our
finally
coffee.
on February
28.
28.
Yeah.
Abangan. Magla-live kami on February 28.
And this will be available on TikTok as well, right?
Yeah.
Hello everyone.
Ayan, ang aming Dark
Kapon
Roast will be
ka.
available through our distributors
Taga Thailand.
starting February
28.
28.
That
It's
is
the
true.
love month and you will love our new variant because it is expected and anticipated to be our rockstar coffee.
Yes, true
Ano ba ang
indeed.
nasa Dark Roast? It's simply an indulgent coffee with collagen. Ang
Ah.
collagen is 750 milligrams.
700.
700, yeah. 700 milligrams, which means it's more than the capsule size that you need as a supplement for collagen on a daily basis.
Correct.
Ano ba ang mga ang benefits ng collagen?
One is it improves your skin,
What? Paano?
nails, the hair. O, diba?
Tapos joints
Ah,
and
ganun.
muscles
Oh,
too,
so
especially
siya.
for us na medyo getting there.
Right. Truly indeed.
And even when you lose weight, when you try to lose weight, you also have to take note of your joints and your muscles. So, maganda, dapat may collagen.
Collagen.
Ayan. So, pwede siyang pang-alternate also with Fit and Curve.
That's true.
Ayan. Tapos, meron na rin tayong barley hopefully by next month.
Yes! Ito
Ayan.
siya, oh.
Yan ang aming barley.
This is
It's
our
on a
brand of
canister.
barley.
Canister.
This is barley.
200 grams, tama?
Yes.
200 grams ang isang canister that will last you either 1 to 2 months depending kung gaano sila kadalas mag-party.
Correct.
Ayan.
And it's cost efficient.
Yes,
Compared to
because
other brands.
our barley is actually a juice.
Yes.
Barley. It's barley juice. We sucked it out from the barley grass na. It's more potent. It's more concentrated. That means you are guaranteed of the vitamins and minerals that you can get from the barley.
That's true.
Especially that barley is a superfood.
True.
Next, ang ating sunod na coffee na lalabas ay ang ating no sugar coffee.
Yan.
Ayan. Yan na naman ang ating walang sugar because that's 100% monk fruit and stevia. Yan, we have designed that for diabetic patients because that's a diabetic patient friendly coffee. Dahil maraming nag-request. Ayan. Kayo, anong favorite yung coffee among all the parents dahil kayo ang nakakatikim araw-araw ng iba't ibang kape?
Ako lahat.
Ay, iba rin. Lahat ka. Ikaw, Carlita.
Lahat.
Lahat. Ikaw, Day.
Sarap lahat.
Na-convince. Ikaw,
Pilitan
Dong.
siya.
Kasi yung favorite, Dong. Wow,
Dark
Dark Roast. Ikaw, Sass.
Lahat. Masarap.
Wow.
Walang Emmy.
Paano ito? Lahat. Masarap.
Wala din like emphasis tayo sa flower horn.
Or Jollibee.
Flower horn tayo is the
Oo.
today.
So hanggang kailan tayo rito, friends?
Hanggang tomorrow. At mamaya ay Mamaya lang.
Today is already a rest day,
Yeah.
a bonding day for everyone. Tapos na lahat ng activities. That's why we chose to go on live just to say hello to our fans. Dahil minsan lang tayo makapag-live on location.
Yeah.
How are you feeling the beach vibe?
It's really giving.
Wow! The dog show.
Nag-show din.
Lang.
It's so giving.
It is giving.
Oo.
Nakaka-relax siya, promise.
Yes.
Diba, whenever you are here sa
In a
mga
different
ganitong lugar,
ambiance. oo.
nakaka-relax siya.
At saka ang ganda ng ano nila.
Amenities.
Amenities.
Yeah. We like the room.
Yeah, the
we
rooms.
say hello to the management
Yes.
of La
Ang ganda ng
Ia. Ano tawag dito?
Yeah, the rest house here at
of
the
La
Ia
Ia,
Resort.
Batangas.
Correct.
Yeah. Our villa is right in front of the beach. It's a beachfront villa. We love it. We're just in one, anong tawag dito? Casita ba?
Yes.
Casita, premium casita.
Premium
One.
Casita 1.
And shoutout muna tayo kay Miss Cecile Cubarubias.
Hi, my girl!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
And good luck, mother, sa MUPH 2026!
That is true.
Dahil andun sila mamaya sa press launch ng candidates
At-
ng MUPH 2026. The Dylan Girls!
Hello to the Dylan Girls and shoutout muna tayo, sabi ni Rosemary Limpag na jowa ni Jiwi.
Wow! Pinapanood siya dahil doon!
Diba? Ang paborito niya raw is 7 in 1.
Wow!
Ayan.
Hot coffee.
Correct.
Dinadala ko ba siya whenever you go?
Wow!
Ay, iba rin sweet pala si
Sorry
Jiwi.
naman si
And
Jiwi.
sweet pala talaga si Jiwi. I didn't realize.
Ay, muna.
Bakit
Hi,
muna?
Anay.
Shout out mo.
Shout out.
Shout out.
Shout out ka na. I love. Basta may yung tawag. Dahil love month magkaroon.
So good.
Greet mo, greet mo.
Tignan mo na siya.
Grit,
Greet na.
Happy Valentine's. Oh! Baliwalo. Pagkatibay.
My future daughter-in-law.
Correct. Truthfully. Diba?
Great.
So welcome
Pinalo
to
kayong lahat ni
Nahihirap.
Jiwi.
Ay nako, hindi pa tapos ang laban dahil mamaya kami mawawala. Iikutin namin ang Batangas, diba? Hahanapin namin ang 7 Dragon Ball. Bakit? Hindi pa tapos, hanggang bukas pa tayo.
Yeah. So we can play the game again. Who's supposed to be lost?
Correct, diba?
Who's most likely to be lost? Ako mamaya taking pictures.
As usual,
As
diba?
usual, oo.
Correct.
So abangan rin ang mga photos and mga edits ni Carlita. Very summerific yan.
Ay, totoo yan.
Ayan.
Correct.
Do you have
Abangan nyo
some
ang,
more people?
abangan nyo ang posting namin sa TikTok, sa Facebook, and sa Instagram. Tama?
That's right.
Pag hindi pa kayo nakapollow sa Green Mile page namin on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, please do so.
Yes. Because we are here as a team. We're happy to be building a team and we're
Indeed.
building a community because we want to live and
And
love
love
our best life. Bye,
Yes.
everyone!
Bye everyone! Lumabang kayo ng mahimbing at tayo hindi.
Thank you po!
Kaya, and shout out to and thank you to the Jive,
Oo,
yung
ang aming
asawa ni
automatic.
Ma'am Carlita.
Carlita,
Correct.
Blythe.
Ay, congratulations in advance.
Yeah, you are building a family too.
Tan, 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 tan.
Bongga ko!
Yeah.
After yung live.
Magmamadali ka.
Ano mo i-end?
Paano tayo i-end? Huwag mo na i-end. Hayaan mo na. Ito si Miss Carlita, nagmamadali.
Pag siya na,
Pag siya na ayaw niya
show me the ring.
Ah.
Show them the ring.
Iba to ko tayo sa...